You are DIYing your website content. What do you do now? Hey there, I'm Abby Herman with Right Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to outline your website content. A lot of business owners decide that they are going to DIY their website content, which is great, but when they sit down to do it, they have no idea where to even start. Unfortunately, sometimes it's pretty obvious that a business owner has written their own website content because it's not very structured and it is sometimes a little difficult to follow. So today we're going to talk about the most important pieces of your website content as you begin to outline it and get it ready for writing. Before you even start outlining your website content, you need to know what it is you're selling. You have to have clear packages, products, and services that you are going to present to your audience on your website. If you haven't sat down to really think about what it is you're going to be offering, do that first and then come back to your outline. You also need to know who your audience is. Who is it that you want to sell to? When you are writing your content, when you're outlining the information that you're going to include on your page, make sure that you are focusing on who your audience is, what their pain points are, and then how your products and services are going to solve their problems and make those pain points go away. As you're outlining the content for each page of your website, make sure that you are focusing on those pain points. Your customers, your clients, the people who are going to buy from you, they don't really care about all of the shiny objects and all of the features that each of your products and services have. They care about having their problem solved. They want you to solve their problem. Focus on the problem, the solution, and not the features. As you are outlining each page of your website, identify what the call to action is on each page. Each page needs to have one call to action, one action that you want your audience to take. Do you want them to click on a link to find out more? Do you want them to click the buy button? Do you want them to schedule an appointment with you? What is it that you want your audience to do? And then you need to tell them to do that. They won't know what to do if you don't tell them. You really have to make it as easy as possible for your audience to navigate through your website, or they will be confused, they won't know what to do, and then they will go someplace else, probably to your competition. Remember that your website is the biggest marketing tool that you have for your business and often the most expensive. So rather than sitting down and just scribbling out some words to put down on the pages, take your time to identify your audience, take the time to identify what their pain points are, outline each page, and identify a call to action for every page of your website so your audience knows exactly what to do. If you like the information that I provided today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.